Today we are at a commercial septic system, and our whole job here is to protect the groundwater. The septic system will be lying in limestone, which you cannot have because the effluent will go directly through the cracks of the limestone, possibly into the groundwater. So what we're doing is substituting, taking the limestone out and bringing in sand and substituting in that way. Our first thing we're going to check this morning is the septic tank. This one over here is a cement tank. It is 4,500 gallons. The next tank is what we will call the pump tank. There'll be a pump in there. That's 1,500 gallons, and that will dose the field, which is the next thing we'll look at. So now we're at the field where this is all pressure dosed into the sand. You can see the mound of sand that is replacing the limestone that's piled here. So that will be put in these trenches over here, 3 foot deep. I mentioned the pump tank. There'll be a pump in there. It will pump the effluent from the septic tank to these trenches. There'll be 8 trenches altogether in this system. And then there is a pipe that will have the pressure with little holes about every 2 to 3 feet, pushing out the effluent into the sand, and that's your new soil. So that will protect the effluent from going into the groundwater. The final one will be we'll look at the flush valves, it's called, on the end, and we'll test that. We'll put water in the tank, the pump tank. We'll turn that on and we'll see if it pumps all the way through to the flush valve on the end. Then we know it's a good system. When that is done, we will go back, do a drawing on AutoCAD about this system, sign off on the permit, and it will be done.